Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to crochet this beautiful flower power coaster. For the materials, we will be using soft cotton yarn in 3 different colors, a 5mm hook, scissors, and a darning needle. With the color yellow, we start row 1 with a magic ring. Then chain 2, and make 15 double crochets in the ring. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Pull the yarn to close the circle and finish with a slip stitch in the first double crochet. For the next row, we will change our color. For this row, you can choose any color you like for your flower. Start with a slip knot, insert into the first stitch, make a chain of 3, then place 2 double crochet into the first stitch. And in each stitch around, you will place 2 double crochet. At the end, you should have 30 double crochets and end your row with a slip stitch in the first double crochet. Continuing with the color blue for row 3, this is where we will start to form our flower shape. We'll start with a chain 1 and we will repeat these certain steps. Single crochet 1, half double crochet 1, place 2 double crochet in the next stitch, then place 3 treble crochets in the next stitch, 1, 2, 3, 2 double crochets in the next stitch, 2, 1 half double crochet, and that is our petal shape. We will be repeating these steps around to form our flower. Let's do it again. Single crochet 1, half double crochet 1, 2 double crochet in the next stitch, 3 treble crochets in the next stitch, 1, 2, 3, 2 double crochet in the next stitch, 1 half double crochet. Now repeat that pattern around to form your flower shape. You should have 5 petals on your flower. Now let's end the row with a slip stitch in the first single crochet. As you can see, it almost looks like a star, so we are going to continue working to form it in a more flower shape. For row 4, we'll start with a chain 1 and we will repeat these steps. Single crochet 1, half double crochet 1, 2 double crochet in the next stitch 7 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 double crochet in same stitch 7 times, 1 half double crochet, and that will be the pattern we repeat to form our flower shape. Let's do it again. Single crochet 1, half double crochet 1, 2 double crochet in the next stitch 7 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1/2 double crochet. Now repeat the pattern around to form your flower. End the row with your 1/2 double crochet and slip stitch in the first single crochet. This is where you can fasten off your blue color. Now you can see your floral coaster. For the last row, we will use the color white to make a slip knot and attach to the first stitch. Chain 1 and make 1 double crochet in the second row, in the stitch on the second row. Next, we will place 16 single crochet across our petals. At the end of another petal, you will place another 1 double crochet in the stitch from the second row. Then we'll place another 16 single crochet in our petals. And we will just repeat that for the rest of our flower. 16 single crochet around the petal and 1 double crochet in the second row at the end of the petal. And we'll finish the row with a slip stitch in the first double crochet. Now the last thing we have to do is weave in our ends. We can tie our strings together and use our needle to weave in our yarn ends. And there we have our finished flower power coaster. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. You can try making your coasters in different colors to suit your liking. And I hope I will see you again for another tutorial.